Just an hour north of Minneapolis, tucked along the stunning Croix River, lies Croix River State Park. With over 6,800 acres and 18 miles of riverfront, it's a place where nature, history, and tranquility come together. This park is full of quiet beauty and learning moments. My first stop was the Trail Center. It's a cozy, welcoming hub with everything you need. Restrooms, tables to plan your hike, and even wood stoves for chilly days. It's a great place to warm up or cool down before heading out. From there, I set off on the old logging trail, a smooth 2-mile paved path surrounded by towering hardwoods. This 2-mile trail connects key areas of the park: the trail center, visitor center, picnic spots, and campgrounds. It's accessible for walkers, cyclists, and skiers in winter, but no horseback riding here. The gentle terrain and shady forest make it perfect for a peaceful walk while soaking in the natural beauty. It also gives me a moment to slow down, a great time for reflection and mindfulness. With each step under the canopy of trees, I felt more grounded, more present. It's the kind of trail where you can let go of distractions, listen to the rustling leaves, and reconnect with your thoughts, or simply enjoy the stillness around you. Next, I followed the Neverston Trail, one of the park's most fascinating historical spots. Today, it's a peaceful overlook on the Croix River, with Wisconsin just across the water. Back in the late 1800s, this was the site of Neverston, built to control logs floating down the Croix River. In those days, Minnesota's logging industry relied on rivers to transport timbers. Logs were hauled by sleds through icy forests in winter, then floated down rivers in spring. The St. Croix was the major log driving route, but log jams were a huge problem. Piles of logs would get stuck, causing delays and even danger for workers. Neverston helped regulate the flow, releasing logs gradually to prevent jams. For decades, it was a key part of the region's economy. But by the 1950s, railroads took over much of the log transport, and a devastating flood finally destroyed the dam. What remains now is calm water, quiet trees, and a sense of how nature reclaims its space. Standing here today, it's hard to imagine the noise and bustle of those logging days. But just the calm flow of the St. Croix River, with Wisconsin show in the distance. Then I followed the Walter F. Mondale River Trail. This path stretches along the Croix River, offering wide, serene views of the water. I also found a perfectly placed bench along the bank, an open invitation to sit, relax, and just watch the river flow. On the other side of the trail, there's Spring Creek campsite, a walking camping area tucked into the woods. It's simple but spacious with a picnic table, fire ring, and food locker. It's great for anyone wanting to spend the night under the stars. Croix River State Park isn't just about scenery, it's also a place to learn. Throughout the park, I found interpretive signs explaining the local ecology and history. One of my favorite spots is this one, highlighting the role of pollinators. It reminds us how these small insects play a big role in keeping prairies and forests healthy. At the Visitor Center, which has great educational exhibits, you will find even more to explore, including displays about the park's plants, animals, and how they all connect. It's clear that the park puts real effort into helping visitors understand and appreciate its natural wonders. Croix River State Park is more than just trails. It's a place where nature and history blend beautifully. Whether you camp for the trails, the river views, the wildlife, or the stories from the past, there's something here for everyone. So if you are looking for a peaceful escape, a bit of learning, or just a walk in the woods, take a trip up to the Croix River State Park.